Hello, every one of you. This is your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka, and I welcome you all to Trade with Cloud. So, today I will be teaching the most anticipated topic because this is what is trending. I always tell my students, I always tell everyone, it's good to follow the trend and profit from the trend because this trend is going to come to halt soon. This trend is going to come to an end. Whatever that has a beginning will always have an end. Whatever that has a trend will always have an end. So it's good you benefit from the trend now before it gets to an end. So now the topic for today is the NFTs. So most of you have heard NFTs. I've received lots of messages saying NFT this, NFT that, teach it, oh, talk about it, or this, that. But I've been watching the market slowly. I've been watching everything since last year. I was supposed to teach this topic. So please, I would really advise, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that now. Turn on the post notification so whenever I post, you are going to get a notification that, oh, Mr. Cloud just post. And please, the more you share, the more you like, the more you comment on my page, is the more I get more results in the search engine. So please, I want each and every one of you to make sure that you share, like, and comment. So today we're going to go into NFTs. So the first thing we're going to be learning is, what is an NFT? It's very important. An NFT stands for a non-fungible token. So now, what is a non-fungible token? A non-fungible token is a token or a piece of art or whatever that is not replicated, that is not interchangeable, that cannot be equal to another. How do I mean equal to another? Let's use the Bitcoin for instance. One Bitcoin equals to another Bitcoin. If you have one Bitcoin now and I have one Bitcoin, I can give you my one Bitcoin and you can give me your one Bitcoin. We both still have one Bitcoin each. You understand? But now, in an NFT now, an NFT is not interchangeable. What does it mean? One NFT does not equal to another. That is why the prices of NFTs are different. They differs even if the creator sells all at the same price. Later, the prices will differ. This Mr. A can choose to sell his for $100. Mr. B can choose to sell his, but the same piece of art for like $1,000. So the prices are not interchangeable, which is one NFT is not equal to another NFT. So this is what you should say. For instance, now this image you see right in front of you, the Mona Lisa, it is a non-fungible piece of art. Why do we say so? Leonardo da Vinci created only one piece of this art, only one. This is just one of its kind. So if you are the owner of this piece of art now, whoever that goes online and copy the image or whatever is not the real owner. That person just has a copy of what you have, because now the NFT now is not just oh, how do we do that? No. The NFTs now transact, the ownership and everything is easily verifiable. Just like on the blockchain, you can easily track if someone has sent you Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin is being processed by the what are they called again? So you get to know if the miners has sent out your Bitcoin, or if the block and whatever. You understand? It's very easy to track or trace a Bitcoin transaction. So that is how these NFTs are, because the NFTs are built in the Ethereum blockchain. So that's where the NFTs are from. So it's easy. It's easy. You can easily track it. You can easily trace it. You can easily uh, make something very profitable out of it. So now again, another thing now is how NFT works. This is a very important topic that you should know. You should know how NFT works. So now NFT creates a blockchain based digital certificates for you. But first and first, you should know that in the crypto world, NFTs are JPEGs. What are JPEGs? JPEGs are just pictures. That is what NFTs are in the digital world. Though some creators of NFTs will tell you, if you purchase NFTs, you have exclusive access to come to so and so place. Once you just present your NFT, they just trace whether the ownership and that you understand. So NFTs are more like It creates a certificate. So whatever NFT that you own, the JPEG that you own, whatever picture you own, it can easily be traced. So you cannot just claim you own an NFT if that address is not linked to you. You understand? Because anybody can just go on OpenSea or whatever and start right clicking on every pictures and saving all of them. But you can have those pictures in your phone, in your flash, in your whatever, but you are not the real owner of that image. Do you understand what I mean? So most of the times, most people that really make NFTs, really big people that owns others gamers, like gamers, they can tell you, okay, if you purchase this NFT of this gun, you can use this gun to play in the game. You understand? They can also tell you that, oh, I'm selling out my show and I want every of my fan to purchase my ticket through an NFT, so I can sell out an NFT. You see that musicians now, you get direct access, you receive your direct money, like people cannot pirate. So NFT is mainly was mainly created for artists, for people who are into what is public speaking, public performance or whatever, so people can purchase your ticket or whatever. Because the major problem that we face, that most people or entertainers face, is piracy. You could be selling your ticket and other people are there remaking it, duplicating it or whatever. But if you're selling out your concert ticket as an NFT, it is easy to verify those who made purchase. It's easy to verify those who actually supported your work. So that is it, because the NFT gives you a digital certificate. So anywhere in the world you present your certificates, it is made known that you are the owner of these NFTs. So now I just explained to you all what an NFT is. An NFT is a JPEG. Like this image you're seeing right in front of you now is an NFT. And this image was sold for over $7 million. So people are crazily making a killing out of NFTs. And people are like, wow, how is all this happening? You understand? The NFT platform is a platform where you can get rich by accident. You don't need to be too much of a great designer or whatever. No, you don't need it. Just like this tweet now you see right in front of you, there's a tweet of the first tweet of the founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. You can see that he sold this for over 2 million USD. So what you should understand is that people are cashing out massively from NFTs. People are making a whole lot of money and people are losing money. So now you will ask yourself, okay, Mr. Cloud, now we'll know what an NFT is. An NFT is a non-fungible token, a JPEG that tells you that, or tells everyone that I am the owner of this JPEG, I am the owner of this picture. So now how it works, it's very simple. It creates a digital certificate for you. This certificate proves your ownership and it is easily verifiable on the blockchain. So now you ask, how do you buy NFTs? So now we just have to dive into the commonest or the most popular platform of where to buy NFTs. And this platform is called the OpenSea. So let's dive into it and see. So now this is an NFT digital marketplace, and it is more like, see, it's to say OpenSea is the world first largest NFT marketplace. So it's like the largest NFT marketplace. And I tell people, you necessarily do not have to be a graphic designer for you to make money off NFT. You just have to be creative. So now looking at this now, you will see that these are all NFTs, mind-blowing NFTs. So when you go to the explore page, you will see collectibles, you see art, you see whatever. You can click on the art. So now it's going to show you trending collections in arts. These are all trending collections. So now you can click on any one you want to click on. So when you click on this now, you will see that you will be taken to their NFTs and they will tell you the floor prices and everything. So now looking at this collectible, now for you to buy this, now you click on it. So when you click on it now, you will see for you to purchase this now, you have to spend $1,134. If you cannot buy now, you can make an offer. And the offer you make, you have to connect your MetaMask to the OpenSea. I'm going to also drop a lecture on how to connect your MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, whatever to this. So now you see you have to buy these with Ethereum. So now you need zero point 0.3 Ether to purchase these NFT, these verifiable piece of art. And one of the unique thing about this is that if you purchase this now, another person cannot own this. Another person cannot own this piece of art. In the world, you are the only original owner of this piece of art. So now, even if you want to buy, you still have to connect your MetaMask wallet or whatever. So now, let's say I am the one selling this NFT and someone makes an offer. If I approve the offer, this uh the fund from his wallet already connected to the NFT will be automatically sent to my own wallet connected to this NFT. In my advanced course, where I explain how to profit from NFTs, how to make millions from NFTs, how to flip NFTs. Though NFTs comes with a bit of chance, but one of the things you should know that if you're smart, if you know exactly what you're doing, the right NFTs to follow, the right strategy to follow, the right people to follow, you are definitely going to cash out very, very big. Like one of the crazy NFT we've seen is the board ape. So this is a very crazy NFT. Okay, now look at this now. The cost to mint a board ape was $2. That was the cost to mint this, to spend to do this, because then we've not had a cheaper place, cheaper platform. There are even platform available now where you can actually make uh this board ape and definitely sell your own and make money. They are cheaper platforms. So before, if you look at this now, you see, as mentioned above, both NFT were first minted at a price of 0.08 ETH, and this is not up. This should be about $100 or so, depending on when. But now, Bored Ape now is sold for about 303,000. So let's imagine you were opportune to make this purchase. You were opportune to buy this board ape at that price. And this all this board ape are just more like they are just crazy and fancy things. But now people are buying it with crazy amount of money. This piece of art now was sold for over 300 and is sold now for over 300 and something thousand dollars. So if you had made the purchase with just $100, you would have made over 300 and something thousand dollars today if you decide to sell today. So NFTs is more like a revolution. It is a trend. I tell people whatever has a trend have an end. So it is better you follow the trend. Even when I teach trading, I more I don't like fighting against the trend. You can say to yourself, I do not want to go into NFTs. It's not important to me. You are losing out. Do you understand me? You are really losing out. So there are so many trending NFTs that you will see at a very low price. The floor prices can be like $10, $50 or $100. But after a while, after a time, after some months or some weeks or some so, it can top up to like $10,000 or so. And if you put it up for sale, you definitely get good bids. You definitely get people who are willing to buy. If, for example, now I own the board ape and I want to sell for $100,000 today, there are people who are willing to buy it at that price because they anticipate that the price is going to go high. There are people who even sold theirs for over $2 million. See, the other notable mention here include Bored Ape. This is the minted number, which sold for over $2.3 million. Can you imagine someone selling just this image of something like this for 2 point something million dollars? Is this not mind blowing? Is this not magnificent? Do you understand? So I just show you all how to buy NFTs. You can buy NFTs from OpenSea. It's very simple. It's very easy. Connect to your MetaMask wallet or your whatever wallet, then make your purchase very easy. So another thing now is who owns an NFT. I've said this earlier. The person that owns an NFT is a person that purchased that NFTs. Is a person that is verifiable as the owner of that NFT, because NFTs are something that you cannot duplicate. You cannot duplicate an NFT. Even if you duplicate an NFT by copying the picture, you are not the verified owner of that NFT. So whatever you're doing is a counterfeit. NFTs are original. So for you to claim ownership of an NFT, you could decide to go to um what is it called, Google, and just save the image of the board ape and start using it. But that image has no importance to you, because you cannot even resell it, because you are not even the owner of that image. So who owns an NFT is a very simple question. The question is, if I bought this NFT, I own it. I am the only owner of this JPEG. So even if 1,001 people copy this image and start using it, I am still the owner, because if you check the blockchain, it is easy to verify the owner of an NFT. So another way you can verify ownership of an NFT is very simple. Once you've made the purchase, try to get the hash of the NFTs. Then you can come to your blockchain.com, which is a blockchain explorer. Then you can search for the NFT. Then you can just copy and paste your transaction at this place. If you paste it here, then it's going to show you the NFT just like this image you see here, and you will be automatically redirected to the platform the NFT was listed on and everything. So it's very easy for you to identify the owners of an NFT. It's very easy. So now is where to sell an NFT. It's very simple. So now we'll go back to the OpenSea. So now you want to sell your own NFT. It's very simple. You just click on create an NFT. You see your MetaMask, see your Coinbase wallet, connect whatever wallet you can connect. You can click on this maybe. Then you go to your Trust wallet and whatever, and just do this, and boom, it's connected. Then you can now create your own NFTs, and NFTs can be created so fast. So it will be very easy for you to create your NFTs. And if your NFTs is listed and somebody sees it and likes it and makes you an offer and you accept the offer, you cash it. People are actually cashing out flipping NFTs. In my course, I actually explain how you can flip NFTs, how you can buy NFTs at a cheaper price and sell. It's more like trading. You can buy for $50, sell for $200 or $300, or decide to hold. NFTs are just like crypto assets. There are people who are investing in Bitcoin to for the future. There are people who are investing in Bitcoin just to get little profit and sell and buy again, do like that. You understand? So people are actually flipping NFTs and making crazy amount of money. So these are things that you are going to learn in my course. So you are going to learn a whole lot. The best NFTs to choose, how to avoid the NFTs mistakes, because there are so many mistakes that people are making now. And when I look at them, I just laugh. I be like, okay, okay, keep making your mistakes. Maybe you learn from your mistakes. So if you have my course on NFT, you would not make all these mistakes. You would know the right NFTs to chase, the right NFTs to uh profit from. If you want to be flipping NFTs, fine and good. If you want to be selling your own NFTs, fine and good. Whatever you want to do in this NFT field, you're going to learn an in-depth knowledge of it. This is just a basic introduction of NFTs for you to understand what an NFT is. An NFT is a non-fungible token, a token that can easily guarantee you financial freedom. You understand? So these are things that you should learn, and these are things that I know that are going to be really profitable for you. So now, how to make millions from NFTs? Easily by flipping. People are really earning thousands of dollars daily flipping NFTs, discovering the right NFTs, the one with the right fan base and everything, and buying it. And you understand? So most of the times now, like the one of the mistake that people make is, just like now, you go and create your own cryptocurrency. What marketing structure do you have? What foundation? What do you have to make sure that this is a success? That is the mistake that most NFT creators are making, and they end up saying, oh god, I'm not making money from these NFTs. This NFT is a scam. This NFT is bad. NFTs has its good side, has its bad side. So in my course, I explain all of that. In these, I just show you all the basic introduction to NFTs, understanding that once you've purchased a JPEG, an NFT, nobody can take that NFT from you. It is yours, and it is yours alone. I remain your very own Mr. Cloud, and keep watching, subscribe, and like. I will also post a video on how to connect your MetaMask, how to do all of this. I might post it, or I might post it only to my uh subscribers, people who have actually purchased the course. So see you all in the next course, and God bless you all.